name is Wendy with WTI, and today I want to share with you my shoe rack. I live in a small apartment, which means space is valuable. So I knew when I was going to get a shoe rack, I needed something tall so it would take more wall space than floor space. So this one here is 10, it's got 10 different shelves on it. You can fit about 20 pairs of shoes depending on your foot size. And so this here, it's not gonna fall. Like, I'm pulling on it right now and it's not gonna fall. So if you do have kids, I do recommend fixing it to the wall so you don't want it to topple over on them. I don't have kids, so I'm not gonna hang off of it. Also, the material, so it's kind of like a metal-y bars, and then this area is plastic. So if you have like a spray paint, you can totally paint it different colors. I plan on painting mine different colors this summer, which is gonna be exciting. And yeah, so if you're looking for a shoe rack that is taking up more wall space than floor space, this is really cool. And it doesn't have to be used for shoes. You can use it for anything. You can put your pots and pans on it. You can create kitchen space in it. Do whatever it is you like. So if you look at the video here, it shows that it's got 4 different bars. Sure, if you put like a piece of wood or cardboard or something down, you can make it like a flat surface instead of a hard, instead of a hold surface. And you can put different things in there. So if you're looking for something to make up space so that you can put your shoes or whatever it is that you're needing to store for lack of storage, I recommend this. But that's my point of view.